show you quickly what's in the kit. So if you're going to get the kit on the 5th, you know exactly what you're going to get. So in the kit, as I mentioned, is the Joy and Jolly die. We have got some card and envelopes because it's Christmas time. We know that you guys might want to make some cards. We've got the Merry and Magical creative cuts. We've got the laser cut for Merry and Magical. Some beautiful little rhinestones for you. That sticker sheet that I was showing you before. Perfect for all your layouts. Some muslin, add some texture. Our white flowers. Cut apart sheet, of course, which you can cut out with all your essential dies. Need some shiny things because it still is Christmas even though it's summer. Some gorgeous rose gold glitter card and some rose gold foil. Those leaves, the lacy leaves, and lucky last, the collection pack. So this kit will be available on the 5th of September. Everything else here I've shown you is available as of today, the 1st, and you can pick these up at your local craft store as well. We also have a card making kit coming on the 5th, and you can pop over and watch the next video to see what's in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.